Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Achieving email font perfection, readability, style, and implementation. Crafting effective emails goes beyond compelling content. The visual presentation, especially typography, plays a crucial role in engaging recipients and ensuring clear communication. Choosing the right font can dramatically impact readability, brand perception, and overall user experience. This comprehensive tutorial explores best font practices for email, covering font selection principles, technical implementation with code examples, and advanced considerations for cross-client compatibility. The importance of font choice in email ****. Think of fonts as the voice of your email. Just as a monotonous tone can bore a listener, an inappropriate or poorly rendered font can discourage reading and detract from your message. Here's why careful font selection is crucial. Readability. Easily legible fonts ensure that your message is effortlessly absorbed. Avoid overly decorative or condensed fonts, which can strain the eyes and hinder comprehension. Professionalism. A well-chosen, professional font conveys credibility and reinforces your brand image. Choosing overly playful or quirky fonts might undermine your message's seriousness, depending on the context. Brand consistency. Using brand-aligned fonts strengthens your brand identity and creates a cohesive experience across all marketing materials. Accessibility. Consider readers with visual impairments. Sufficient font size, contrast, and clear letter forms are crucial for inclusivity. Cross-client compatibility. Emails are viewed across a myriad of devices and email clients, Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, etc. Not all fonts are supported equally. This requires strategic selection and implementation. Emotional impact. Certain fonts evoke specific emotions. Serif fonts, example Times New Roman, Georgia, often convey tradition and authority, while sans-serif fonts, example Arial, Helvetica, feel modern and clean. 2. Best font choices for email ****. Given the constraints of email client support, sticking to web-safe fonts is generally the safest approach. Web-safe fonts are those that are commonly pre-installed on most operating systems and devices, ensuring a consistent rendering experience across different environments. However, with some clever coding, custom web fonts can also be effectively implemented with graceful fallbacks. Web-safe fonts ***. These fonts have the highest probability of displaying correctly for all recipients. Sans-serif fonts ***. Arial ***. A classic, clean, and highly readable sans-serif font. It's a safe default choice for most email campaigns. Helvetica similar to Arial but with slight design differences. Equally reliable. Generally perceived as slightly more modern. Verdana designed specifically for on-screen readability. It features wider letter spacing, making it particularly legible at smaller sizes. Tahoma another highly readable sans-serif option, similar to Verdana but slightly more condensed. Trebuchet MS a more rounded and friendly looking sans-serif font. Good for creating a welcoming tone. Geneva a classic sans-serif font mainly found on Mac systems. Serif fonts Times New Roman the default serif font for many word processors. While it can feel a bit dated, it remains a reliable and legible option, especially for longer blocks of text. Georgia designed for on-screen readability, Georgia is a more modern and elegant serif font than Times New Roman. It features a larger X height and wider letter spacing. Monospace fonts Asterisk courier new asterisk a mono-space font, each character takes up the same width. Useful for displaying code snippets or tabular data. Generally not ideal for body text. Web fonts, custom fonts. Web fonts are fonts that are hosted on a server and downloaded by the email client when the email is opened. This allows you to use fonts beyond the web safe options, enhancing your design and brand consistency. However, they are not universally supported, so a fallback strategy is essential. Asterisk popular web font providers asterisk. Asterisk Google Fonts asterisk a free and extensive library of open source fonts. Easy to integrate into your email designs. Asterisk Adobe Fonts, formerly Typekit, a subscription-based service offering a wide selection of high-quality fonts. Asterisk fonts.com asterisk a commercial font foundry with a vast collection of fonts. Asterisk choosing web fonts asterisk. Asterisk readability asterisk prioritize fonts that are legible on screen, even at smaller sizes. Asterisk brand alignment asterisk select fonts that reflect your brand's personality and style. Asterisk licensing asterisk ensure you have the appropriate license to use the font in your email campaigns. Asterisk weight and style variety asterisk choose a font family that offers a range of weights, example regular, bold, italic, to provide flexibility in your design. Asterisk performance asterisk select fonts that are optimized for web use, compressed file sizes, to minimize loading times. Asterisk character set asterisk ensure the font supports all the characters you need for your target languages. 3. Implementing fonts in email HTML/CSS asterisk asterisk. Email HTML is notoriously picky. Inlining styles is still the most reliable way to ensure consistent rendering across different email clients. Web-safe fonts, inline CSS. This is the simplest and most reliable method for using web-safe fonts. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk style equals, asterisk inline CSS is applied directly to the HTML elements. This is the most reliable method for email compatibility. Asterisk font family, Arial, Helvetica, sans-serif, asterisk the font family property specifies the font to use. Multiple fonts are listed as a fallback stack. If Arial is not available, Helvetica will be used. If neither is available, the default sans-serif font of the user's system will be used. Asterisk best practice asterisk always include a generic font family, sans-serif, serif, monospace, as the last fallback option. Web fonts, using link and inline styles. This method relies on loading web fonts from a provider like Google Fonts. While widely supported, it's crucial to provide fallbacks. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk link ref equals, asterisk this tag links to the Google Fonts style sheet, which defines the Roboto font family. Asterisk font family, Roboto, Arial, sans-serif, asterisk the font family property specifies Roboto as the primary font, with Arial as the fallback, and sans-serif as the ultimate safety net. Note the single quotes around Roboto because it contains a space. Asterisk Google Fonts link asterisk the href attribute points to the Google Fonts URL. You can customize the font family, weights, and character sets using URL parameters. For example, family equals Roboto WGHT at 400, 700 requests the Roboto font with 400, regular, and 700, bold, weights. And display equals swap is recommended for email for performance. Asterisk limitations asterisk some older email clients may not support the link tag for external style sheets. See web fonts, using at import and inline styles. This method uses the @import CSS rule to load web fonts. It's less reliable than the link method but can be useful in some situations. Explanation @import URL, the CSS rule imports the Google Fonts style sheet. It must be placed at the very top of the style tag. The rest of the implementation is the same as with the link method, using a font stack with a web font, a fallback web safe font, and a generic font family. Limitations @import is even less reliably supported than link. Some email clients may strip out the style tag altogether. Advanced web font implementation, using style tag and inline styles. This technique involves embedding the font definitions directly into the style tag using @font face rules. This can provide better compatibility than link or @import, but it also increases the size of your email HTML. It's the most complex but also the most resilient approach. Explanation @font face the CSS rule defines a custom font family. Font family the name you give to your custom font, example my custom font. src, URL, specifies the location of the font files. It's best to provide multiple font formats, example WOFF2, WOFF, for maximum compatibility. WOFF2 is the modern standard and offers better compression. Format, specifies the font format. Font weight and font style these properties define the font weight, example normal, bold, and style, example normal, italic, that the @font face rule applies to. You need to define separate @font face rules for each weight and style. Font file hosting you need to host the font files on your own server or a CDN. Make sure the server allows cross-origin requests, CORS, to prevent font loading issues. Font stack as always, include a fallback font, example Arial, and a generic font family, example sans-serif, in your font family declarations. 4. Optimizing font display and readability Beyond font selection, several CSS properties can significantly enhance readability. Font size use relative units like em or rem for responsive scaling across different screen sizes. A minimum font size of 14px, or equivalent in em or rem, is recommended for body text. Line height increase line spacing to improve readability. A line height of 1.4 to 1.6 is generally recommended for body text. Use unitless values, example line height, 1.5. Letter spacing adjust letter spacing to fine-tune readability. A slight increase in letter spacing, example letter spacing, 0.02 m, can improve legibility, especially for smaller font sizes. Be careful not to overdo it. Color ensure sufficient contrast between the text color and the background color. Avoid using light text on light backgrounds or dark text on dark backgrounds. WCAG guidelines recommend a contrast ratio of at least 4.5:1 for body text. Font weight use font weight, bold, sparingly to emphasize keywords or phrases. Overuse of bold text can make the email look cluttered and difficult to read. Text align use text align, left, for most body text. Centering text can be effective for headings and short phrases, but it's generally not recommended for longer blocks of text. Text decoration avoid underlining text unless it's a hyperlink. Underlining can be confusing and detract from readability. Use text decoration, none, to remove underlines from links and then style them with appropriate colors and font weight. V. Cross-client compatibility considerations *. Email clients are notoriously inconsistent in their rendering of HTML and CSS. Here are some key points to keep in mind. Test extensively. Always test your emails in a variety of email clients, Gmail, Outlook, Apple Mail, Yahoo Mail, etc., and on different devices, desktop, mobile, tablet, before sending them to your audience. Use email testing tools like Litmus or Email on Acid to automate this process. Inline CSS. As mentioned earlier, inline CSS is the most reliable way to ensure consistent styling across different email clients. Avoid using embedded or external style sheets. Tables for layout. Many email developers still rely on tables for layout, as they offer better compatibility than CSS-based layout techniques like floats or flexbox. Avoid complex CSS. Avoid using complex CSS properties like float, position, absolute, or transform. These properties are not consistently supported in email clients. Image blocking. Some email clients block images by default. Use descriptive alt attributes for all images to provide context when images are disabled. Consider using background colors and font styles that complement your images, so your emails still look visually appealing even when images are blocked. Mobile responsiveness. Ensure your emails are mobile friendly. Use responsive design techniques like media queries or fluid grids to adapt the layout to different screen sizes. Pay attention to font sizes and line heights on mobile devices to ensure readability. Use larger touch targets for links and buttons to improve usability on mobile devices. Avoid JavaScript. JavaScript is generally not supported in email clients for security reasons. Keep it simple. The simpler your email design, the more likely it is to render consistently across different email clients. 6. Tools for email font and style testing. Litmus. A popular email testing platform that allows you to preview your emails in a wide range of email clients and devices. It also provides detailed reports on rendering issues and accessibility problems. Email on Acid. Similar to Litmus, Email on Acid offers email testing, deliverability monitoring, and spam testing features. Email preview services. Many email marketing platforms, example MailChimp, Sendinblue, ActiveCampaign, offer built-in email preview features that allow you to see how your emails will look in different email clients. Manual testing. Send test emails to yourself using different email clients and devices. This is a free and effective way to catch any obvious rendering issues. 7. Best practices summary. 1. Prioritize readability. Choose legible fonts, appropriate font sizes, and comfortable line heights. 2. Use web-safe fonts strategically. Start with web-safe fonts as a foundation. 3. Implement web fonts with fallbacks. Use web fonts, example from Google Fonts, cautiously, always providing robust fallback font stacks. 4. Inline styles for compatibility. Use inline CSS for maximum email client compatibility. 5. Test thoroughly. Test your emails in multiple email clients and on different devices. 6. Keep it simple. Avoid overly complex designs and CSS. 7. Consider accessibility. Ensure sufficient contrast and font sizes for readers with visual impairments. 8. Host fonts securely. If using custom fonts, host them on a reliable server with proper CORS configuration. 9. Optimize for mobile. Ensure your emails are responsive and easy to read on mobile devices. 10. Stay updated. Email client support is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest trends and best practices. By carefully selecting and implementing fonts, you can elevate your email designs, enhance readability, and create a more engaging experience for your recipients. Remember that testing is key to ensuring your emails look great across all devices and email clients. Good luck.